In this video, we show you how to clean the filter on your ash vacuum cleaner. When the ash vacuum cleaner is no longer operating at its maximum capacity, cleaning the filter is highly recommended. You should proceed in the following manner. Block the hose end, power the unit on, and press the filter cleaning button for 4 to 5 seconds. Repeat this 4 or 5 times. If the suction capacity does not improve, it is advisable to clean the filter manually. Proceed as follows. Unlock the catches, remove the device head, and unscrew the filter cartridge. Tap it out or use compressed air to clean it. If the filter is visibly worn out, it is recommended to completely replace the filter cartridge. You will hear that the filter cartridge is correctly mounted by the click of the micro switch. If the filter is missing or not seated correctly, the vacuum cannot be switched on. To keep the filter from clogging fast, we suggest using an ash pre-filter. Insert the pre-filter. Fasten. Put the motor head on. And close the hooks. Now the vacuum is ready for use again, and you can find further information on our website.